Our average deal size when a site is included in the deal cycle tends to be 4 times larger than those that don't use a site.
Our AEs and our solution consultants or sales engineers are partnering to create private sites for a specific prospect that they're working with. They're uploading targeted content that they're customizing based on discovery conversations they're having, demos that they're running, follow-ups that they need to use client sites for. They're sharing PDFs, they're sharing call recordings. It's just really one nice branded place for our prospects to access.
Our win rates with a client site are 2 times higher whenever they're brought in early on in the process.
The level of engagement we have seen early on in the sales cycle has been a warning sign of either greatness or a warning sign of a red flag based on, again, their level of engagement, how often they're logging in, how often they're looking at content. It's a major indication of deal health and how likely a deal is to close. So our reps have been able to qualify out sooner maybe than they would have. So they're spending their time much more efficiently. Knowing where to spend their time is huge. So they're not wasting time, right, on deals that have no chance. And so we've seen that on average, deals that we have won with a client site have 10x the level of engagement on content than deals that we have lost.